Hello everyone, my name is Madison Leeson and I will be teaching the course Cultural Governance in the Modern Middle East through Save Cultural Heritage Group. I have a PhD in Archaeology and History of Art from Koç University in Istanbul, Turkey, which is where I'm currently based, and 2 master's degrees in Heritage Management, one from the University of Kent and one from the Athens University of Economics and Business. I'm really excited for this course because it will introduce you to the topics I've been working on for the last few years as my doctoral dissertation, which is cultural governance in the Middle East in the 19th and 20th centuries. We're going to start by looking at the late Ottoman period and focusing on how heritage management was used by the Ottoman state to reinforce their authority in a region that increasingly was protesting against them. We'll then look at how festivals and cultural ceremonies have been used as competitions to assert authority in the region. We will then look at how archaeology and the collecting of antiquities has manifested imperial goals, particularly of the UK through the British Museum and the US through the Metropolitan Museum of Art. We will then look at looted antiquities and the destruction of heritage during times of conflict, and close our course by considering the decolonization of the field of heritage management. So asking ourselves, how can we improve the field of heritage management and kind of dismantle the imperial and colonial structures that still exist and shape our interpretations of culture. So I'm really excited for this course. I hope you are too. A range of course material will hopefully reinforce these ideas and allow for some really thoughtful discussion. I will be here if you have any questions, and I'm looking forward to our course. Thank you.